Hello everyone. Project is the Tata Motors stock price prediction by using the machine learning. So first you will have installed this library Y Finance. Y Finance mainly used for the fetching finance data. But in my case it's not working. So you can try. Maybe it work on your set. So first you will install, then again you use these library import y finance as YF because it not working. That's why I have given the comments. Then NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib for visualization and date and time to change the object date. Then train and testing data, the next linear regression module, and then matrix. I am using the mean square and R2. If you use the Y finance um, library, then you use this one Tata. You can use any variable name equal Tata dot motors dot ns national stand for national stock, and then print the data. If I run that, it show the same thing again. Then you download the data, then data equal yf dot download, where I pass the data. Then starting date, I have give the starting date 2024 11, or ending date is 25/11. I have changed lot of date also, but it's not working. It show only the failed download. So that's why I am using the CSV file, because in my case it's not working. It show the failed download or only show these values, column name you can say. So if it working, then you do not need to use this CSV file. df equal pd dot csv dot csv, where I have given the path Tata Motors dot ns dot csv and df dot head. So these are the columns name and all are the values. Okay, I have mentioned this CSV file in description box. So shape is the 7 columns and 2 4 3 3 rows. Information, the it is which is object type and which is float type. So date is the object type, all are the float 64. Now describe. So it give the mean values, standard deviation values, minimum values, all these. Now check the null value. So there are the some null values: open, high, low, close. So first we fill the null value. So there is mainly two columns where we need more: open and close. So I am using two columns to fill the mean value. df open is a column name, again pass the column name dot fill na df, then again column name dot mean value, it fill the mean value. Same thing is the close column name and fill it mean value. So if we check now, again we check. Oh, so there is the open is also show, it fill the null value, and close also fill the null value. Next one is the, we convert the date column into date and time because date is the object type. So there we df, then column name date equal pd dot to underscore date time, where we pass the data frame name, date, column name, errors into equal or error equal course. So error, so it convert the date. Now we check, so you can see that it convert the date and time in 64. The error equal codes mainly used for to handle the value that control to convert the target value isn't there. Now see visualization that we see that how the stop date and close it close. So plt dot figure where I pass the plt dot plot df is a date column name, df dot close is also column name, where I give the title name Tata Motors stock price, and X label I pass the date, and XY label is pass the close price which show in Indian rupees, and plt dot show. So it is the output. So it gives the date 2006, 8, 10, 2000 up to 2024. So this is the ratio. Again, feature engineering where I am adding add the new column name df there where I am giving the days is a new column name equal np dot array how much is the day's length, and then again pass the data frame name and print df. So you can see that date open, this is the new column name, and it also give the length of the days. Now you can see there is 8 column. In first there is the 7 column, and 4 3 is the rows. Now using the data x where I pass the days, and y I pass the close. So it give the value in y. Now using the scatter plot how the days and close by visualize. So plt dot scatter where I pass days is the new column name, and close is also the column name. X label I pass Tata Motors stock days, and Y label Tata Motor stock closing dates, and plt dot title give the Tata Motors stock price, and plt dot show. So this is the chart about the days and close the days, and this is the closing days. So this dot show the closing dates. Now training and testing data where I pass x train x test, y train y test equal train test split x and y test size is equal 0.2, and shuffle equals false. So I am using shuffle equal false. It give the ensure that data is not randomly rearranged before shuffling. So I am using this. It's working. Now using the model. So LR is a linear regression, is a method name. Then I pass the linear regression LR dot fit which we want to fit X train and Y train. Now predict the data. So variable name is a y predict, where I pass the method name lr dot predict, which we want to predict the test data, and print the y predict. So it show you these predicted data after testing. So mean square mainly used for the measure the average square between the predict and actual target value within the data set. So mean MSC is a variable name where I pass mean square error, which we want to see the mean square y test and y predict and print the mean square error. So mean square error is the 19443.7. Then again R2 square is a R2 square linear regression to observe the performance of the model. So it R2 square is a 0.147. Now visualize the same is a actual and predicted value. Then plt dot figures. Then again plt dot plot, where I pass the y test dot values and label. I pass in label I give the name actual price. It print the actual price. Plt y predict label in y predict it show the predicted price. And title actual versus predict Tata Motors stock price, and PLT X level where I pass days, and PLT Y label is the price, and then PLT dot legend and PLT dot show is blue line, and predicted price is the orange line. So this is a blue line show the actual price, and this is the predicted 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 price. These are the days, and these are the price. The next one is I am want to predict the future price, to see the in future what is the stock price. So number of days I pass the 45 days. I want to see the 45 days is a predicted price. Then NEX also variable next is equal NP dot array R, R. Then I pass the length, where I pass the data frame name. Then again second is the length. Then I pass the data frame name plus n number, and give the reshape dot reshape -1 to -1 and 1. So reshape mainly used for the Python. It convert the multi-dimension array into 1D array, or it show the one column. Then future price is the lr method name dot predict, where I pass the next, and plt. Now see the visualization using the how to it look the by chart. Plt dot figure, where plt dot plot df, where I pass the close column name. In close column name it give the label equal future price, and plt plot range, it give the range and length, where pass the data frame. Again length data frame plus number of days and future price, and label equal future prediction, and then give the title more Tata Motor future stock price prediction, and X level pass the days, and price is, and Y level is price, and PLT dot legend and PLT dot show. So how it look after 45, predict the 45 days prediction chart. So this is the future price, and this is orange line show the future prediction. So this is the future price. Okay, and there is the future prediction. There is no any future, only this dot did indicate the future prediction. So this is the project where I find out the Tata Motor stock price. Thank you.